Good morning, baby. Let's go, guys. Welcome in. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. We're officially halfway through the week. Only thing to do now is get fucking paid. Let's get focused. Man, I'm ready. Come on now. Gonna send out this link real quick. We're in there. And we're in there. There he is, bright and early. Good morning, work. Let's go, King. Nice to see you bright and early, King. My bad, I ain't make it, but yes, had to do some shoddy morning. It was some shoddy this morning. No worries, King. Welcome in. Happy to have you here, work. Let's go, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Come on. Today, y'all feel the shift? Are y'all feeling the shift that's occurring? Let me tell you something. I do. Save. 11 on the 50s. All right. Because I be feeling it. Top of the morning to you. Let's go, Coop. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Hope you're feeling great. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in. Good morning, King. Let's get paid today. Today, we have to find some buyers in the NASDAQ, right? Is that what we think possibly today? I'm personally looking very bullish. I even think we could find some bullishness right out the open, but is that crazy? Is that too crazy of me? Good morning, Pobby. Welcome in, King. Sorry I wasn't here yesterday. No worries, brother. I understand. Not every day we can be doing what we got to do, so happy to have you back, though, King. Let's get paid. Let's get focused. Looking long today, I think, guys, on this hourly trend here. We started breaking down. Still look like we're trying to hold it. Now we're starting to break out, so I kind of like a long. Kind of like a long in around like this opening print price. See if we get down there. See if we can get around there. NASDAQ looking bullish, though. I'm looking to see if we could join some longs personally. Nice print off the open there. Nice little bullish volume. I'm looking long, guys. Trying to focus in there. Don't take my blue name application away. Never, King. You got you. Ty, hope you're doing good. Hey, Spitzy, you too, brother. Welcome in. Happy to have you back, King. Feeling good, feeling fine. Been losing a little bit lately, but I feel the momentum shifting. Ready to turn it around. Ready to start doing what we got to do. But also, have you heard about the Warbucks? Patrick is promoting it. It's some sort of instant funded crypto account for $45. I did see that, Pobby. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if I like that. I wouldn't personally be messing with the crypto prop firms, but they are doing some stuff. Do you guys also see that? I think it's called like Plus 500. They're pretty reputable, been around for a while in exchange, and they are offering a potential buying top step. So that could be interesting. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Saucy, good morning, sir. I'm aiming for the 980s or the 900s. I love it, Spitz. Let's find this long, King. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I want to join you. Just got to find a price that makes sense. I like that a lot. Let's actually find a nice order or price that I really want to get in on this move with. Take off this fucking box real quick. I really do like this price. I really do want to start finding a long soon. We're coming into these 550s. I think might be where I grab one. Limit by 5 at these 550s if we can get there. Might be a little bit lower than where the market wants, or we're going to come lower into like the 30s first. Wouldn't mind seeing the 30s play either. I think we're going to find some support at maybe these 50s or these 30s. If we get back above VWAP, then they're going to find some support at these 70s. We could join them there. But I'm not going to lie, it doesn't look good. I just might buy it, just try it out, just for the lulls. Hey, let us know, Poppy, if you do, King. Let us know how it goes, brother. Just for the lulls, for the little plot. But I'm not going to lie, it doesn't look too good. You don't like these longs? No, I don't know. I don't know if I fully... I don't know. We'll see what happens here, Spitzy. Kind of don't mind it. My plan is if we break 800 with a 50-minute candle close and I start looking for longs, if it breaks down to 500, the same, looking for sell. Not instead, I just watching. Let's go, Amy. Great trade analysis. I like to set up the plan. See what happen out for you, King. You're only looking for longs above 800. That's wild. Above 800 is the only place you look positive. That's so much out of there. So you're pretty much only looking for shorts. Yo, what's up, Max? Good morning, King. That man Maxie gonna be on stream Friday. Holy Moses, Cooper Allen is here today. He's been here the last couple days. Sauce, always showing love. I'm gonna buy the pullback to VWAP if we can find one there now. Probably won't after we just found this bullish printing. Ooh, but that was a very gross engulfing candle. I'm going to try to get a feel here, but I am going to have a tight stop. I really don't like that reaction there. Still looking for maybe getting a fill at these 16s, though. Or the 13s, sorry. Kind of a gross reaction there, though. About to get tapped into our potential. We're in now. I am going to put our stop loss in pretty early here. And I want to have this really not let us break back below this VWAP if we can. If we can get up there, that'd be ideal. Where's my fill? 30, so I need 88. I need right there to fire for us to be out of this, done for the day. Beautiful little push here this morning, family. Can we get a nice clean delivery to the 88s and just be done with this? Our stop loss is going to be on break even now. We're riding. We're just riding. Can we get there? Give us a little bit of love up to these 80s. I like the reaction here at this pullback. Just need a little bit more continuation. And above this previous range high at these 70s are going to be the obstacle. Looking for the 87s to trade in the NASDAQ. My brother, good morning, King. Let's go, Mo. Welcome in, sir. 600 God for long, but easy to break for sellers. I like it, Amin. See what happens here. We need a little bit of love up into those 80s right now. I might just try it. I think you should, Pobs. I'll buy it right now and see what's up with it. Did we just get teased up at those 83s? 4 points from a profit take there. Can we find that love? I'm in a long, but NQ kind of sketchy as usual. Let's fucking go, baby. Come on, family. No trade day, maybe. All right, Maxi. See what happens. A couple small trades, Ty. 600 God for long, but easy to make for sellers. My brother, he's a childhood friend, Pops. Yes, he is. That's some volume. Let's go. No BS. Dude Noodle. Let's go, King. No BS. Oh, shit. Nice trade. I appreciate you, Mo. I don't know why, but I feel like it's me. My brain is telling me. Hey, what do you mean, Poppy? W's. Let's go, family. Let's go. Break a little bit of a losing streak here. Come on now. Nice clean delivery up there. Really not much we could do. Just nice and simple, clean. Tomorrow we try to do it again. By the way, Ty, I took a 3K payout from MFFU. Let's fucking go, baby. Spitzy, I love hearing that, King. Yo, has anybody been able to get onto Apex? Excuse me, have not been able to get onto there yet. And I've been trying to get in. They, like, did some stuff with their stuff. Also, apparently there's a one-day pass on MFF now for, like, a $20 activation or a $20 fee or 20% off. I don't know. I got to look into it, but... Options, family. Always getting these options. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Let's go, Ty. Let's go, Pobby. Hope you're crushing too, King. Looking for some nice spots. Like I said, I'm pretty long today. I gotta take this order off now. I'm looking pretty bullish today. I like the way that the market's breaking through this. We're starting to hold this price at the VWAP. From here, we could keep printing higher, see what happens. See what type of trouble we can get into. Hey, Ty, what trade copier do you use? Right now, King, I'm just using the one that's built in on the... I'm just using the one that's built in on MFF. So I haven't copied anything through yet. But if I do start trading the... if I start trading the Apex 20 or the 50k's with these MFF 50k's, I'm going to try to use probably that trade copier, the one that MFF promotes, but I'm not sure yet. They fast as fuck from the moment I submitted it. 10 minutes it's approved and funds sent to the Wise works. They don't work with Wise. Oh, the Rise works. They don't work with Wise. Got you. After 4 hours from the payout, it was in the bank. That's some next level fast. Spitzy, I love it. That's encouraging, King. Hey, we're next, baby. We're going to bring these accounts. We're going to pass these tomorrow. Boom. Then Friday, we're going to run them up and just keep crushing. And then next week, we're going to take a payout of these mofos. Hopefully, 3K max. So then hopefully 3K each and we'll 15K payout. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I mean, you need $6 grand. Got you. And don't forget, they take 20%. Damn. So max payout's 15,000. So it's 2,400 net. Bet. So then it's 12,500 roughly for your payout once they take their 15% or their 20%. Damn, 20%. $3 grand. So yeah, it'd be about 20. It'd be about 12,000 actually. About 12,000 that you can make for a max payout with MFF, but that's still beautiful. Let's see if we can do it. Let's find some love here. Halfway through now, so beautiful little trade this morning. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, family. Yep, 20% sucks, but it's dang cheap. It is super cheap, and honestly, with the speed that they pay out and just all the other reasons, I think it's more than worth it. Like I said, it's a cheap account, and yeah, I think it's worth, family. Has anybody, like I said, has anybody been able to log on to Apex? I have not been able to get onto there yet. Been trying to reload these accounts. Oh my god, I just fucking got in for the first time. Put my foot directly into my mouth because I just got onto the platform just now. Okay, very good. Oh, maybe I lied because it's 50-50 on me. Hoping for a Black Friday sale on MFF to load some accounts for cheaps. Me too, King. Me too. I'm also hoping the same for all props, really. I want to grab some Apex while they have a nice deal. Hopefully like 90% off for Thanksgiving. I'm going to grab some accounts for that. And also, I'm going to grab, yeah, some MFF accounts. Pretty much try to grab as many accounts from as many prop firms as you guys can. Like, literally, load up 20. If you guys are interested in trading Apex, load up 20 when you get the offer. And then just trade them how you want to, one at a time. Is yours the one-day pass or 50% each day? Sorry if I missed you. You mentioned earlier. No worry, man. Appreciate you always, King. No, this is the, I didn't do the add-on. So these are the, I gotta do 50%. So we got halfway to home today. Made the 15. Tomorrow we're gonna try to do it again, and then from there we might be past. How you find MFF, King? Actually, you guys, I mean, I've had a lot of y'all in here in the chat just giving us some insight and advice on trying other prop firms. Obviously, the whole scandal with Top Step, how they put us on the future focus trader program. So we were always looking for other opportunities, and y'all kind of pushed me in that direction. I need 1,200 requests, a 9K payout. Mo, you got this shit, King. I believe in you. Lock in. Longs look pretty decent right now. Don't buy the top. Find a nice price. But if we keep pushing through this hourly high here and we go take out high a day, I'm going to expect us to go take out some more prices, maybe into the 800s. So maybe look for longs. Be patient. But you got this shit, Mo. Believe in you, King. Good morning, Diego. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. We're halfway to home today. Halfway to home, Diego. Appreciate you being here. And Top Step said that by Thanksgiving, they're going to change the no activation fee like you said. I know, it's crazy. They said no activation fees. They said no other prop firms can use our Project X. They're going crazy. And do you also see that, what is it? Pro 500 or something 500? Tick 500, something like that. A pretty reputable industry exchange apparently is offering to potentially buy Top Step. So that could be crazy. Who knows what would happen if they did change hands there. That's still good. W is a W for sure, Max. Come on, baby. Give me that 800. Let's get up there then, Spitz. Amy was also looking for the 800 if we get there, plus 500. You're the man, Spitz. Yeah, that's what it was. They were looking to possibly buy, and that could be wild. You're Elijah. There he is. Good morning, King. Hope you're crushing, baby. Hope you're doing the thing. They were founded in my country. No shit. That's badass, Spitz. No shit. Okay. So you know what, I like that. You know what, So the ATR is like 26 points. So make sure you guys are giving yourself a little bit of range to try to grab this momentum. But here we go. New high a day being pushed. See if we get a nice close above these hourlies. From there, I expect some continuation if we do hold up around this price. I'm liking the strength out of these longs right now. I'm liking the strength up out of these longs right now. That was a super quick trade this morning. What was that? A 9:33, so 3 minutes in, and we were out at 36. So pretty lucky, pretty special. Just watching till we react from the last high and low. I like that, Amin. Right now, if we keep closing above the 740 flat price on the hourly candle over here, if you look at over here, if we keep closing up above that, I like the push to continue. Maybe go take out these highs up at the 800s. We'll see what happens. We'll see what type of trouble we can get into, but the NASDAQ is pushing right now. Keep pushing up the highs into the 750s, almost touching into the 760s there. Any closure above the 33s is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. Just watching. London high just taken. See if closed above. I go long. I like that, Amin. Matrix. If we close up and above the 33s, I'd like it pretty much. See if we can hold here. Getting ready close to our first 15-minute range. Our 15 is in. I'm going to draw it out for y'all. Rectangular. My rectangular, sir. Oh, but my rectangular, sir. Yes, my dear boy, my rectangular. Sorry, guys. Here's our 15-minute range. Closing at the top of it. NASDAQ trying to push through again. Might find a little bit of reaction here, but so far the longs are looking like they're in control right now, family. NVIDIA earnings today. I did not know that. That would make sense as to why they could be pumping, though. I'm not sure. W Day, appreciate your work. Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at yet, family, but if y'all are in here hanging out, showing some love would be awesome. Just hit the like button. Easiest way to support the stream. I appreciate you guys. FOMC at 2. Jeez, I'm under a rug today. I didn't even know this. I'm just sleeping today, huh? All right. All right. Longs are looking pretty clean here. Another strong push above the 15-minute range and a closure. Still pushing up new highs every candle right now. Riding the EMA pretty steady. I like the longs to potentially find some continuation up into like the 800s, maybe even the 850s. See what happens here, family. See what type of trouble we can get into. EMA is going to be the spot where you guys want to try to find some support. Really decent range today, though, guys, right? Low a day down at the 570s. High a day already up into the 760s. Almost a 200-point range. Almost. Come on now. Come on now. Nasdaq going to keep pushing these highs? It feels like it wants to. Trying to push through the 15-minute range here again. Still stuck at these 760s at the moment. Longs are looking like they may be in control right now, though. Look at them. Still pushing new highs every candle. Every candle, they're grabbing new highs. Go take out that high, NASDAQ. Show us some love up here. Show us the love, Nazi. Oh my God, Apex is so frustrating. Why is it so down? Come on, man. Can't even log into no Apex, man. Come on, man. Come on. Pretty interesting price action right now, family. Each candle barely just stretching above the other, pressing new highs right now, finding a little bit of resistance at the 760s at the top of the 15-minute range. The longs aren't technically out of the woods yet for continuation, but I do like their strength so far. We'll see what happens. Let's fucking go. Got a good fill on the gold long. Let's go, Mo. Love hearing that, King. Keep grabbing those W's, baby. Lock that shit in. What's gold doing? Up at the 120s. Excuse me. I like it. NASDAQ keep continuing to just press the new high with each candle so far. 40 points in amount. Come on, Spitzy. Get there, King. Just the 800. Not a big ask. Not a big ask at all. Just got to find some bullishness through these 15-minute range. Each candle pressing new highs right now. Longs clearly in control. Sellers, if they're stepping in front of this, seem like they're just providing some liquidity. Be patient. We got this shit, family. NASDAQ touching into the 80s there. $380 by 3. Let's go, man. Let's go, Mo. Come on, King. What you giggling for, Maxie? What you giggling for, King? Yo, I appreciate every single person here hanging out, spending the morning with us. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not. You know what I mean? I feel like y'all are, but if you're not, what are you doing? Still finding a little bit of resistance at the top of this 15-minute range. Buyers are getting a little slowed down with their momentum, but sellers aren't in control. Long from the 651s. Let's fucking go. Worth the giggle, King. I love it. Easy. Easy long. And you bought this pullback to the EMA. Sexy. Sexy Maxi. Man bought the pullback to the EMA, and he is rocking it. NASDAQ, a little bit of resistance at the top of the 15-minute range here, but you can still see that we're riding the EMA pretty smooth. Maybe could find some continuation here. 750 hard sellers there. Right now, it is appearing that to be the case, Amin. Also, though, we're still holding the top of the range, holding this EMA, still pressing new highs. I would expect maybe a slight pullback into the previous range, but at like the 30s you could maybe find. But right now they're still pushing higher. Every candle, every opportunity being bought up right now. See what happens. 820 left till max payout. I want to get it done with today. But don't be willing to blow it up today in hopes of it today, King. Do what you got to do. You know what I mean? You're a good trader. Take your trades that make sense to you. Nice base hits, but don't capsize looking for it today to be the only day and then make a mistake. You know what I mean, Mo? I believe in you though, King. You got this shit. I hate myself. I locked out of my account. Fuck. You locked out to save yourself, or did you lock out because of pain, Pobby? What happened, King? NASDAQ into the 80s and the 90s here. Still riding this EMA like it's nothing. Just riding the support. Longs clearly in control. About to tap into that 800 for you, Spitzy. Come on, baby. Go hit those 800s for that man, Spitzy. 98, 99, 100. Let's go, baby. Max just got out at 800. Spitzy just got out at 800. Let's fucking go, baby. That's a W trade for the family. Easy. And Matrix hits it too. Let's go. The community smashing that long. Easy this morning, family. Up into the 850s now. Or the 800s, I mean. My fault. Let's go. I love everybody grabbing that. Matrix grabbed his 5th winning day. Congratulations on the payout locked in, King. Grab that shit. Just made back to 3K payout, LOL. Woo! Spitzy! Like he never left. Another 3K coming your way, King. Out of the 97s. Let's go, Max. Everybody. Love hearing that shit. Love it. I wanted to do homework today, so I locked myself to focus on homework, but man, I missed out. Pobby. Sorry to hear it, King, but glad you're still spending the mornings. Glad you're still getting the experience of seeing the market move. Wish you could be a part of this one, King, but hey, there's going to be so many more opportunities every single day, so no stress, brother. No stress at all. NASDAQ finding some strength into the 820s here, though. Wow. 830s. There you go, just like you said, Maxie. I'm just YOLO tomorrow. Fuck it. Now, tomorrow we're going to get great opportunities and make some money. We don't got a YOLO. 830s might hit. Already did, King. Just printing. Didn't want to trade today, so big W. Huge W. Didn't even want to trade today. Instead, found a beautiful long. NASDAQ just ripping to the upside. Pretty much not looking any other direction. Look at the volume now that we stopped out all those spots. Now that we stopped out all that action, look at this candle. The 30-point candle to go to the 837s. Low of day at the 570s. We're almost up into the 8. So we're almost up 300 and like 270 points, 260 points right now. Kind of insane. Oh, look, 240 points. Insanity. I love it. All right, boys. Good job, everyone. You too, Spitzy. If you're getting out of here, King, take it easy. Appreciate you for being here. Yep. Check in tomorrow, sir. Good luck. Congrats on that 3K payout and for getting the accounts back up there, bud. It's fucking awesome. If we hold 800, that means sellers should close their positions and see spikes. That's what we saw, King. We finally closed above the 800s. People started getting spooked out, and now we're up into the 840s. Might stall here, I think. I think so too, Maxie. This new level over here on the hourly, we're going to find some resistance. That was probably a majority of our sexy move. Now from here, I think we can continue to close for the rest of the day around this area, but from now it's going to kind of fill out some better structure, right? So we had this sexy move. Now it's going to kind of fill out some structure. Probably still close near high day maybe, but that's kind of what I'm seeing now. Let's fucking go. Good locking myself out. Entered 802, exited 850, 560 by 3. Come on, Mo. So you did it, King? You made it, baby? Still pissed about gold, to be honest. Don't even want to look at gold anymore. Understandable, King. I'll never forget. I'll never forget. 4,030. Max is talking about looking for longs to the 180s. He's been talking about it for a few days. Finally gets out of his position. Some shit happens, and then we find just the biggest print directly to 4180 to the tick, pretty much. It was like 4179.6. It was ridiculous. I'll leave the 260 left for my tomorrow because I need profitable day tomorrow. I need 260 by 3 for a max payout tomorrow. Mo, you're going to grab a max payout tomorrow. I can fucking feel it for you. The momentum's there. Great trading, King. Way to lock out. Way to be disciplined. The trading's been awesome, man. Be proud of yourself. Hopefully tomorrow you get all of that fucking reward and you can take a deep breath, King. Proud of you. It's stalling here. Yeah, it is. Up into the 850s. That was the next spot that we could have targeted. Finding some bullish printing there. From now, like I said, we might just fill out some more structure. This seems like this is the range that the longs want today. From here, it could just kind of fill out a little bit more, or we could keep pushing. Or it could just keep pushing. Yo, we're missing a lot of our family today. Missing a lot of the friends. Might come all the way back. 7,200 after the split is coming my way. Come on, Mo. Deserved, King. Deserved. You're going to watch FOMC. Might come back all the way, to be honest. I might watch. I'm going to be watching. Maxie, I don't think I'm going to be on stream, but definitely going to be paying attention, King. That's also what we're seeing today, too. I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about the fact that we're getting this much range FOMC morning. Holy shit. Think about that, guys. This is the type of range we're seeing just in the morning before the FOMC even before the meeting even happens. We might get another opportunity for a fill down at like the 600s today. I feel like there's going to be another flash of the 600s and we're going to close at like the 900s. That's kind of what I see today. Tomorrow we getting that 5 accounts funded, King. Yes, sir. Yes, we are, Mo. No doubt about it. Saab, what it do? Welcome in, baby. Happy to have you back, King. Good morning, sir. Hope you're doing great. Hope the daughter slept through the night. Yeah, bro. Nice longs. Good trading today. You too, Maxi. Wasn't really us. It was just the market behaving. Went one direction for us. So all we had to do was buy that, babe. Go to 800, please. LOL. Let's go, Amy. Give him a fill. Take it slow tomorrow. I think you're right, King. I'm not going to I'm going to break this little slump that we're in. Break this little slump. Get these funded again. And then from there, just small base hits to a payout, baby. I gotta get a payout back under my hands. You know what I mean? I got to get that feeling back under there. All right, Cam. I'm going to go to sleep. I appreciate you for being here, Matrix. Take it easy, King. See you in the morning, brother. Maybe 3 by $500 trades. I'm just, maybe, Maxi. We'll see. I'm not usually good at multiple trades, though. Like, I'm better at finding direction. I think I'm better at direction than, like, momentum, but we'll see. We'll see. How goes it, Saab? We're doing all right, King. Got a nice early little trade, 3-minute trade this morning. Just 9:33 to 9:36. As you can see, it's not really as much as us as just the market is fucking pissing up to the upside into the 900s. We were all begging for the 8s. Now we're into the 9s. Market is going one direction. Pre-FOMC excitement. Wild shit is going on right now. W on the trade. I appreciate you, Matrix. Small base hits. Just touch and goes, huh, Maxi? Just a little touch and go. I'm going to try it, King. We'll see what happens. Into the 900s is crazy. NASDAQ finding so much strength right now. Nice thing is you don't have to pay more money now. No activation fees. That is pretty sexy. That is pretty sexy. We literally just take these accounts tomorrow. Excuse me. Gosh. We literally just take these accounts tomorrow and we get to be funded. No dollars spent and possible $15,000 payout, but then they take 20%, so $12,000 payout. Still very sexy. I think we spent total $1,100 on these guys. So if we could have a little 10x to 10 grand, spend 1,000, make 10, I'll do that. I'll do that. Hey, over here. I'll take that. This guy. What prop you on? These are MFF right now, King. These are MFF subs. You can see over here too, MFF core. If you ever want to like reference it without having to be curious. Also, it's in the title. Subs, they do have the Apex going right now, so I've been trying to buy them all morning, but I cannot get into their fucking account or their website. Is anybody else experiencing that? I cannot get onto their website. I've been trying all morning. I want to get in. I want to buy some accounts. They have a discount going. I want to participate. I want to make money. Let me fuck. Yeah, I don't know. I can't get in there. Tried again. Won't let me in. Man, I remember that 150K's on Top Step, 1,500 all in funded on blowing them first day. Yeah, I'll never forget it too, Maxi. So much fun, though. Into the 900s, still just finding bullish printing right now on the NASDAQ. This is insane to be watching. They also send the money within like 5 minutes after the payout. That is also sexy. Cannot wait. Let's be a part of that. Let's get a little 1K to a 10K payout. Grab that monies. Get a little bit of love. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's not working. Just tried. Yeah, Saab, I don't know. It's sad. Don't know what they're doing, but they're not working. Man, this sucks. Wow, we mooning. Yeah, Poppy, we're going one direction, King. Kind of insane. Kind of wild. 570s up into the 920s. So, you know, 330 points up to the upside right now. Insanity. I should be trading. Happens though, King. These are the days. These are the days that you can at least improve some FOMO. You can learn. It's FOMC, so overall, you're not wrong to be out not participating. FOMC is not a bad thing to be missing out on, King. Oh my God, are you talking about Lanto trades? He made like 3 mil last week on TPT. Yeah, that motherfucker is crushing the markets right now. Life-changing dollars, life-changing money. He made, yeah, millions in days. Think about that sentence, family. That motherfucker made millions in days. That is the opportunity that we have in our hands every single moment, guys. It's up to us to fucking get out of our way and take advantage of that. Motherfucker made millions of dollars in days. The same thing that we're doing. We're sitting here looking at our computer, hitting buttons, and he did the exact same shit. Nothing's changed, and he made millions in days. That is what we're fucking here. We're trading for our freedom, baby. Trading for freedom. Who made millies? His name's Lanto Trades. If you're on X or Twitter or whatever you're on, that space, Saab, where a lot of traders spend some time. Yeah, he's posted his screenshots, and he made yeah, a lot of fucking money, dude. Multi-million in a couple days. So W him, W inspiration. Good morning, Christopher. Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you here, brother. We're doing well, King. We're doing really well. The market is just going one direction, so it really didn't offer any struggle. Kind of just had to buy it, and you could make some money. So today we got lucky. 3-minute trade made our 1,500. It's FOMC though, so be cautious. Who made millies? Damn, that's insane. Probably bottom take that long, made another 500K. LOL. I am not gonna doubt you. He probably did find this fucking long, and then probably he's gonna post today on Twitter that he made another. Yeah, dude, you're right. Lanto, we'll see. Damn, that is insane. It is, man. So much inspiration though. That could be us, baby. That will be us. Maybe not today, maybe not 2025, but maybe 2026, 2027. I don't care. Imagine just sitting here for 2 years, making no money, being frustrated. 2 years getting better though, and then in 2027 you make $1 million in like a week span. Like, what the fuck would we even do with ourselves? That's what we're working for. It's going to happen. We're gonna hit a run just like Lanto. If you can stay in the game long enough, you can find these moments. Just like you could go on a ridiculous losing streak, but now he could never lose more than he made as long as he doesn't over leverage. He changed his fucking life, guys. Trading changed his life. He fucking found freedom. He traded for freedom, baby. I love it. It's literally so much excitement, so much hype. Let's go. We up today. Yes, sir, Chris. You stacking up on Apex accounts? I'm trying to, Chris. Are you able to get into there? I had not been able to load up Apex all morning. Their shit has been down. Wait. I might be in. Wait, it might have loaded. It's very slow, but I am in. I was trying to load up on some accounts, Chris, while they had their activation, or their cheap promo right now. It is 80% off and a $40 activation fee. So all in $90 for an account. Pretty sexy. I'm still going to be looking for the better opportunity come... I locked a couple in early this morning, but you have 6 days, I believe. Hell yeah. You use our code, sir? You use the TFF code, Trading for Freedom, baby? If you did, you're the king. If you didn't, missed opportunity there, baby. Seeing if I can even get into my shit. It is still not loading, though. Fuck, man. Let me get in there and let me buy. You made 7.5K today. That's 3 mil in a year. We finna make millions, bro. Don't worry. Our time will come. Let's fucking go, Maxi. I know, King. You're so right, baby. You're so right. Every day, just gonna take some base hits. We don't gotta be greedy. We're gonna have our moment too. And once you cross that threshold where you're like essentially free, come on, baby. Come on. That's all we're looking for here. NASDAQ has not even wiggled at the EMA since. NASDAQ has not even wiggled at the EMA. Just found nothing but bullish printing. One direction trading right now. Insane. Laugh my LOL. I'm about to rest my account even though I'm up 861. Do not restart, Bobby. Do not. FOMC today maybe stairs up, elevator down. That's kind of what we're thinking, Chris. I think we might just see this range, might see a nice big old elevator down, and then maybe continuation to the upside. I'm kind of thinking we're going to see like a weep, 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 something like that. I don't know, but right now we're taking out all this buy side liquidity, so maybe you're right, and maybe we're just going to have a straight piss missile to the downside. Take out new lows. I mean, look at this on the hourly chart. We're starting to form a this could be a spot here, family, where we could run into it. We could run up into the 950s, find some resistance here. Hourly chart, a little resistance on this trend line. See what happens. Hello, I'm about to reset my account. FOMC, just to catch this. My luck would be this, then crashing. Yeah, the market, I mean, we could easily crash here. No doubt about it. Yo, Christopher, next time you buy those Apex accounts, King, code TFF, trading for freedom, baby. Whose code did you use when you signed up? I'm interested in that. Cause you gotta get those discounts, baby. Apex, I mean, for Thanksgiving, I think they're gonna do a 90% off, so that's when I'm really, really gonna load up. Like, bang, 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 bang. I got you, bro. I didn't know you had one. Nah, no, I don't really push it. No worries, King. Bang, 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 bang. Turkey and ham. NASDAQ finally touching the EMA after just one direction trading. Gross. Gross. Y'all know how many likes we're at, family? I know a lot of us are missing half of our family in here today. Missing half of our friends. But if y'all are in here showing some love, hit the like button. It means the most. Not a lot to offer today as we are in a very quick trade. It is FOMC as well. This is just one direction trading. Like I said, that we could find some resistance up and around this trend line. Starting to find it roll over a little bit. See how aggressive it gets. See how aggressive it gets, huh? Yo! What's up, King Noah? Welcome in, sir. Hope you're doing great, brother. Hope you're finding some longs in this crazy pushing mode Wednesday mode push. What am I saying? This momentum, this Wednesday momentum. Thank you. Holiday season, you would think the markets would be choppy and low volatility. I know. This is crazy, bro. It is wild, Noah. One direction trading from the 570s pretty much into the 650, 950s. Almost 400 points up. We're like 380 points up. Now we're starting to find a little bit of reaction. But yeah, one direction trading right now. I agree, Christopher. But at the same time, I mean, it's Q4, baby. People are home. People are trying to make some money. I don't know. Volatility's in for some reason. Maybe longs are just excited because they've been getting beat down for a while. You know what I mean? So maybe they're just looking to grab a long. So I ain't trade. I had one, but I was waiting on shorts, so I ain't trade. Way to stay out of there. Way to stay out of the way, Noah. Way to read the chart and not step in front of this momentum. I like it. Me too. I like it. We need it. Momentum's how we get paid as traders, right? So we need that shit. We need that shit. Look at the strength here. That was the first touch of the EMA in a long time, and the NASDAQ just responds to it strong. Pushing up into the 950s again here. $3.6 times 5. Max, did you touch it again? Let's go, baby. Great trading. Great trading. Heading out to King. Be safe. You too, sir. I appreciate you for being here, Maxie. Get ready for Friday, sir. Excited to have you on stream. We short, we're dumping though. But we might just keep printing. I don't think we're going to just keep printing non-stop, Noah. We do have FOMC today, so I think the range is trying to getting built. But right now, it would be weird to step in front of them. Tapping Monday highs would be wild. That would be a something, huh? Could happen. FOMC, Chris. We could see what happens. Let me know how you want to do it, bro. Yeah, I've still got to figure that out. I'm gonna spend some time today, really get that ironed out, Maxi, and then tomorrow I'll give you the full information on how we're gonna get it done, and then Friday morning, baby, we're in here. Hey, there's FOMC. Oh, there's FOMC. Yeah, Noah stepped in there. Hey, glad to see you up 1500. Danny, there she is. Good morning, Queen. Happy to have you here. Let's fucking go, baby. I appreciate it, Queen. We needed one. We needed one today, but we're not out of the woods. We're going to do it again tomorrow. Got to run, but see you tomorrow. I appreciate you for stopping in and showing some love, Danny. See you in the morning, Queen. And take it easy, Maxi. Appreciate you guys. That right there, that's fucking love. Just stopping in, saying what's up. Means the most, guys. We're building a community here that's really changing the way I trade, the way I even look at the markets. Hopefully the same for you guys. We're all getting better together. Let's fucking go, baby. Super early today. Not a lot to done. You done for the day or still trading? I think I'm done, Chris. We hit our trade really early in the morning, so there wasn't a lot to do other than just watch. Right now it is also pre-FOMC, so the market's kind of just ranging. Getting ready for the meeting. Got the hiccups there. I wanted to buy some Apex accounts right now. I've been trying all morning, but I can't get into their fucking website for some reason. So, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Still just riding the EMA up into the 950s. There's really been no direction other than up since the opening print candle. We had a couple selling, and then just the bulls came in. Now it's just time to see what happens. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Wow. Still taking out new highs. 970. We're up almost 400 points now from that opening bottom down there. Incredible. Incredible strength right now. Just incredible strength. The NASDAQ doing nothing but printing higher. It is FOMC, so make sure you guys are being cautious if you're looking for stuff. Otherwise, there's a lot of opportunity. This is a fucking range. This is a range. 400 point range pre-FOMC. Kind of wild, kind of scary, kind of crazy. Oh, shit. Yeah, bro, I can't handle that. Just locking the account. Sobs. Can I just tell you, that's one of my fucking favorite things that you do. Genuinely. I love the fact that you can sit here, see the market moving, and rather not being a part because it's just a little bit too much and it's not following your strategy and your rules. I fucking love that, bro. The lack of FOMO right there, seriously, that's what's going to make you fucking mad money in the future, King. Mad money in the future. The lack of FOMO, the ability to just not see what he wants and not participate. King. It's a king right there. NASDAQ on the hourly chart, disrespecting this trend line now, starting to look really bullish. See what type of trouble we can get into. Is there a way to make these grays like a little bit more like a little bit more dark, but like not fucking like black? How about that? How about that? Let me see what that. Let me see. Copy that. Control copy. Control V. Apply save. Oh, they're too fucking dark though. Alright, I'm gonna go back into that then. Body down outline. Make this one white. What happens there? Alright, hold on. wick down. Oh, but I can't do that. Yeah, it looks like shit. I'm just trying to make this look a little bit better, guys. I don't like the way it is. Thanks, bro. It's what I've been working on for a while now. Old me, I'm just sending trades. Yeah, that's huge. Huge subs. That discipline really is what's going to make the difference, King. It's inspiring. We all can take something from that. Me personally, sometimes I even overtrade and look for stuff that isn't even there, so. All right, I'm just messing with it at this point. Let's just go what works. Bink. Bink. I think it's slightly darker than that one. What am I doing? I still have that itch to re-enter after locking in 150 plus points. Dang. What a fucking trade though, Chris. Gotta lock that shit in, King. No need to. Just bought the Warbucks account. Did you actually, Pobby? Did you actually? Keep us informed, King. Good luck with it. So what is it? What are you trading? Bitcoin? Sol? Ethereum? Lock those 150 points in though, Chris. No need to give anything back to the market right now. This thing is providing free liquidity. Almost up into the 25,000s. I didn't even notice. Holy shit. We touched into the EMA for the first time over here at the 909s and up another 90 points from there. Just one direction of trading right now. Yo, Deontay, welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Hope the trading's going well for you. This thing is just going one direction right now. If we haven't yet, family, somebody hit the like button. If y'all haven't shown love yet, it would be the easiest way to support the stream. I appreciate you guys. Waiting for a short sign on NQ. Be patient. Be patient, Deontay. This thing has got some real steam rolling right now. So I don't mind it to look for a potential, but just be patient. Don't step in front of this train right now. Check the DMs. What you got, Pobby? What you got, King? But what do you know? Oh. It is Bitcoin. Okay. Ew, what platform? What platform is that, Pobby? It's not trading. What is that? I don't know if I like it. Pobby, you just supported PW? Pobby, did you just support PW? Look how puffy my eyes look today, guys. My eyes look so puffy. Holy shit. It's alright. PW deserves a little bit of love, too. Hopefully you can grab some payouts out of that. Not sure what it looks like. Not sure the rule set, but hopefully you can crush with it. I would be looking for shorts. Maybe Deontay, if we could push back in below the 890s, but I'd be patient, honestly. Honestly, I don't know. I just said fuck it and no. You don't even know the project that it's trading on? What is is that Quant Tower? It's not Quant Tower, is it? It's probably not, because it's fucking crypto, so it's probably its own thing. Interesting. Oh, it's probably what you're talking about, huh? Is it directly trading on the Warbucks? Is that what it is? Is that the Warbucks platform? Yeah, make sure you're being cautious if you're looking for shorts. Be very, very patient. The longs have been nothing but in control for over 400 points now, so try not to step in front of that. Maybe we get a nice rotation when we do find some selling, some quick momentum. You could maybe take advantage of that, but so far, try to protect yourselves. Just try to protect yourselves. Y'all ever seen The Big Short? I know the concept, Sobs. I don't think I saw the actual movie, but I know the concept. Where he's like, that's my quant. No, I don't. Something gooey trade or what? Something gooey trade or somewhat shit. Something gooey trade or somewhat or some shit. Got you. Something gooey trade. Very weird. That's my quant. That's my quant. No, I don't know the reference, Sabi. Yo, I'm still thinking about that hole in one you put in the cut from fucking 127 yards out. Gnarly, man. LOL, it's funny as seen if you've seen it. I'll have to check it out. Still just I'm still just fantasizing about putting some, some nice strokes down. Wow. What's your trading plan, G? Deontay, right now, we are just locked out. We made the 7,500 that we were looking for. So now I'm just kind of hanging out. I would be patient, King. Is a very volatile day. 400-point range. AR is only 25, though, which is pretty sexy. So actually, this is like best case scenario. We have a 400-point range, only a 25-point ATR. So you can really find some opportunity. I'd be looking for shorts maybe if we push back below the 892s, Deontay. But really right now, man, I'd just be kind of watching, observing, waiting for better opportunity. FOMC later today, so the market's going to be kind of stalling out and waiting for that. Just be patient, King. Right now, the longs clearly in control, 400 points to the upside. Maybe you can find some reaction with the shorts, but you're definitely fading trends. So I'd be looking for pullbacks to buy longs, see what happens with FOMC. Play it slow, King. Hope that helps, Deontay. Oh, man, I'd love to golf right now. You ain't lying. Dude, just put a couple strokes down the green. Come on. Only 2 putts. Only 2 putts. You know what I mean? If I'm on the green, I'm only 2 putting. That's it. It's either going in the cup or I'm going to fucking lay up and be a little tap in. Driver, that's a different story. I might drive right into the woods somewhere. So I got to just put my, I'll just take a 5-6 iron off the tee. I don't care. I don't need to win off ego. I'll just get straight. 5-6 iron right off the tee. Bank right where I want to be. Another 5-6 iron. Bank right to the green. Little 2-putt. Boom. Par. Maybe birdie. Probably just. These are dreams. These are dreams. Realistically, I'm slicing into the woods. I'm dropping. Duffing in front of me. Like, I have a little, chunk shot. Duff 20 yard in front of me. Hit again. Finally have a decent stroke. Get on the green. Or get near the green. Have a missed chip, so I have chip across the 20 meters from the hole, and then a 2-putt. So I'll have a double bogey. How are you beautiful people doing? Let's go, Corey. I love the energy, King. Way to step in here with some vibes. Doing great, brother. Market's going one direction right now, so really all you had to do from the morning is just buy. This thing's up 400 plus points from the open from the bottom. We made our money early, 3 minutes in, 3 candles, just bink. So, hope you're grabbing some momentum to yourself as well, King. Hope you're grabbing some of this momentum yourself, Corey. If not, be patient. It is FOMC, so we have a lot of opportunity. Yeah, that's why we don't get paid to play. Nah. Yeah, we're not Brad Dahlke making 458K all year playing golf on YouTube, which he crushed some PGA players. PGA players made less than he did by having a camera on him for YouTube. Wild. I want to play some YouTube golf. I do. I wouldn't do well, but I would like to be out there. He's a beast. He is. He knows how to swing a club. He played lots of golf for that man. I would like to believe I'd be decent if I played that much. I like to believe if I swinging a club since I was fucking 8 years old, I'd be pretty decent. But first time ever swinging a club, 25, is not in my advantage. But luckily we do it for fun, just to escape reality, golfing for freedom. Yo, someone let me know how many likes we're at. I know this one's we're a little low today. We have I can think about 4 or 5, 6 people that we don't have in here. So family members are clocked out a little bit today, which is okay because it is FOMC. It's a Wednesday. Sometimes that is best days to just not be participants. End of the week vibes. Me personally, I don't mind when we have 400 points volatility just because, well, actually, not always do I like it, but when we have a small ATR like this, 26 points with a 400-point range, that to me says opportunity. None of these candles are jagging and killing you. Literally at any point, all you had to do was buy these candles and you would not have taken a stop loss. That's sexy. At everyone. What you need, Deontay? What you need, King? Everyone leave a like, LOL. You're the man. You're the man, D. Appreciate you, King. If we haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. We can make it to 20, my people. Come on. Come on. What are we at, work? Hit that little button. Show us some love. Show us some love, hey? Bump ba ba bump ba 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 bump bump ba ba bump ba ba bump ba 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 bump bump. Nah, real talk, y'all show love just by being in here, being a part of the conversation. It really means the most. I want you guys to know that. 15 so far. Hey, come on now. I like that. 75% of our goal. Are there 5 people in here that can close that deficit for us? I think there are. I do. I think there might be. I'm really disappointed with Apex's account website performance right now. I don't know what's going on with it, but it is caca. It is a caca. Yeah, I can't get in. Let's get a Trump dump or something. A little Trump tweet. A little Trump tweet bring us down to like the 700s. Look at the VWAP, guys. VWAP opened up this morning and around the 610s, and right now it's at the 721s, up 110 points. Just the volume weight average. That's how much volume we're pushing right now. Are we supposed to be getting a 2K from tariffs, or that's fake news? Sobs, I think it's not fake news, which is fucking crazy, dude. Just pumping this stimulating the economy, and then if they do start QE, quantitative easing, and they start printing, turning that burr on, you get money, you get money, you get money, you get money. Our dollar's gonna go to shit. So everybody gets a $2,000 stimmy check, and then they turn on our quantitative easing. Yeah, it could be pretty fucking scary. Not sure if I mentioned, Ty, but my funded seat trial paid out 2K. Then the DGen and me lost the accounts. Currently 1K away from passing again, LOL. Corey, let's fucking go. Show some love to the man. He dropped in, tried out a new prop firm, grabbed a payout. Fucking king status, bro. Glad to know that they pay out as well. So anyone that is trying funded seat, you can get paid. I love hearing it. Great trading, Corey. Way to step in front of there and fucking try it out for us. It's badass. Love seeing a trader make some money, King. That's what we're doing it for. Trading for freedom. Right now, the NASDAQ just up to the high of the day around the 930. Still holding. Still printing higher. Excuse me, mamma mia. We are 5 likes away from our goal of 20. If y'all have not yet shown some love, is the easiest way to support the stream. The NASDAQ right now still sitting at the high of the day, the 940s. Up already 340 points from the bottom. Insanity. NASDAQ up 1.4% on the day. Actually love seeing it. What's ES doing? ES is the weaker of the two, only up 0.9%, so that's interesting. ES only up 0.9%. Excuse me. Still very bullish though, but you can see how they reacted at this other high a little bit differently. NASDAQ disrespected that high, so as you can see here. Could be an indication we might get a rotation to the downside now. See what happens. Thanks. Going for the 150Ks now. I need that drawdown. Let's go, Corey. I believe in you, King. Retest on the 900 or break that 25K and more up. I like the options, Amin. We either going to test that 900, find some support, or we just keep going up to the upside. Those are the great analysis. I love your analysis. It's always simple. It's always calm. If this, then that. Simple. That's how you get paid, baby. That's how you find longevity in the game, King. Saab wants a little Trump dumpy. That would be wild. We're going to get an FOMC dumpy, though. So, we're going to get a little Fed Powell dumpy. Maybe Fed Powell dumpy, then Fed Powell pumpy. But we'll see what happens with him. He steps on there. He's going to say his thing. Which he's untethered to the government. So, whatever he says about our economy, you kind of got to take as much truth as you can. I mean, he's not motivated outside of state. Not motivated outside of government. So, he's just trying to do their best. Although he is about to get the can. In April, Fed Powell is done. He retires. He's too old. They're kicking the man out. So shit could get wild. We get a new head of federal in there and new chairman in there. Who knows what happens? Motherfucker could just be like, yeah, drop interest rates to 0. Could be pretty spicy. NASDAQ still hanging out at the highs up here right now, just going sideways. Kind of insane how much bullishness we've seen. LOL to 0. Amin wants the 0% interest rates. Market would fucking fly, but the dollar would eat. The dollar would be shit. Our interest rates would be crushed. It would be a wild time to be a human. Just kidding. Just for an American, I guess. Hey, my Trump dance. Motherfucking Trump. Right now, Bitcoin dumping. Let's see what happens. Pobby, does that mean you're shorting them? Does that mean you're shorting them, Pobby, if it's dumping? Excuse me. Here we go. NASDAQ finally breaking below the EMA for the first time all morning. Let's see what happens now. Maybe a test of that 900. Maybe we can find a reaction. See what type of trouble we can get into here. Excuse me. You can see this hourly candle starting to invert a little bit at this trend line. You don't trade gold anymore? I mean, right now I'm just trying to get my bearings straight. It's not that I don't like gold. I need to get a little bit of momentum back under my belt. And right now I don't think it's worth learning a new project, even though this thing just goes one direction typically. But it's still just learning something new instead of just sticking with what I know for now, getting paid, getting my confidence back to stellar. I want to end the week. I want to end the year strong with some payouts. This will be my first. This was my first. No, it's not. I was gonna say my first profitable year, but no, it's not. I was profitable last year, just barely. I made like. Let me look. I don't remember. What did I make last year? Bump, ba, ba, bump, ba, ba, bump, ba, da, da. I made $3,800 profit in 2024 trading. And then this year I'm up like 44. So I want to take advantage of that. I want to double down. I want to make more. And then from there, we'll rotate and do things. Right now, NASDAQ, though, threatening the 900s. Sellers are getting a little bit of pushy. See what happens. But yeah, I mean, I just want to have a strong closeout to the year, end the year profitable, end it strong, and then as I get full-time trading and start taking time off, as I transition into only trading full-time, I'm gonna start opening up to other markets again. Definitely gold, and I'm gonna just base hits, micro. I'm gonna start trading micro when I have the time. When I'm home trading more often, instead of working, I'm going to be trading different markets and sizing probably way down. Right now, I'm trying to take advantage of the 2 hours that we have to participate. Just got back from a meeting. Glad to see that you trade went your way. Long overdue. Max payout. Count your motherfucking days. TLR, the love. Let's go, King. You're the fucking man, bro. Appreciate you so much. It felt good. We got into some love today. It wasn't necessarily all us, just because the market was just giving pure love. All you had to do was buy at one point. You could just make money. So we took advantage of that. But you're the man, TLR. Hope you can take advantage of it yourself, King. Hope your meeting went well. Hope your meeting went well, King. Thank you for being here, brother. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Right now, this is FOMC, though, so be cautious. The market is up 400 plus points, getting a little bit of a pullback down back into the 900s. But, man, the range, the opportunity today is unreal. So do what y'all can to take advantage of it, but also protect your accounts. You know what I'm saying? Max payout on MFF would be pretty spicy. I'm not even going to lie about it. Not even going to front about it. See what happens at these 900s. I'm really interested. We're either going to find some reaction or we're going to start cutting through there pretty aggressively. But I think we're going to find some support possibly. The VWAP has curled from opening print price at the 610s up into the 730s. So the VWAP itself is up 120 points. Although if you look over here, we're starting to react to this hourly trend line. Starting to get pulled back inside of it. Could get a little reaction back in around somewhere down here. So be cautious. Keep your guys' accounts protected. See what type of trouble we can get into here. That's what I hope. And then break that 25,000K and then more up. Let's see it, I mean. Let's find some support at these 9s, baby. Let's find some support at these 900s, huh? Yo, I know there's 20 amazing people watching this stream. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, show us a little bit of love. Hit the like button. Easiest way to support the stream. Right now, the NASDAQ is just holding at these 900s. Very, very bullish. Longs are in control here. I wouldn't be necessarily excited to hop in this short train. If you're trying to find some momentum, you can maybe get a quick scalp. But at these 900s, I'd be very cautious. Took a short at the 938 practice. Let's go, Sobs. I like that it's in a practice account. Hopefully this breaks down for you then, King. You get to play it out, but I'd be a little hesitant. Longs have been redonkulous. But it is FOMC, so we're going to get range. We're going to get structure. We're going to get, yeah, at least a little bit more of a full chart where we could see the better price action. I mean, this is unauctioned, if you look at this. But at the same time, we've been selling off for days now. You know what I mean? So to find a little reaction back into this trend line is interesting. Failure to break through this, I'm going to say this right now for you guys. Failure to break through this hourly trend line today could be fucking crazy for the short potential. We could get really ugly on FOMC if we don't find this continuation. Could get really ugly if we don't find the continuation there. Look at this turning right now. So clean on the NASDAQ. Neon Ninja Timmy McToaster. I fucking love the name, King. First time I think I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome in, King. We in here. I made a little money off the uptrend after open. Let's go, baby. Yeah, the market was printing today. Up 400 plus points from the bottom. All you had to do really early on was just buy. Look at us riding the EMA all the way until fucking 10:10. So for 40 minutes, all you had to do was buy at any touch of the EMA. So glad you made some money, Neon Ninja. Neon Ninja Timmy McToaster. I fucking love the name, dude. Very fun, King. Here's the 900s and the NASDAQ. See if we find some support here or push back down. Kind of want to see some support. Be interesting. Be interesting to see us break through here, though, and find some aggressive selling. Neon Ninja McToaster. Neon Ninja Timmy McToaster. It's actually a fucking fire name. Too much hype. Too much hype. Yo, did you guys know this? I was trying to buy Apex accounts. Check this shit out. What? You can't use your own code? What the fuck? That's so annoying. I just wanted to save some money on my 50K account. What are we talking about here? What? It's alright, it means I just gotta support somebody else, I guess. But man, what the fuck? Would not have expected that. That is wild. I would never have expected that. What the fuck? Wait, for real? That makes no sense. Sob, like, what the fuck, dude? Did not know that. That's lame as shit. Let me save my own money. Why can't I save money? That's not right. Give you all the accounts you want if you advertise for them. I think that's kind of fucking insane. Why can I not use my own shit? What? You guys approved me to be an affiliate, so like they're not just passing everybody. So if they're like, oh well, because I don't want people to apply and then use their own code and then save money. Yeah, but you're only letting certain people be affiliate. I don't know. That's kind of. Oh well, I guess I will use somebody else's. That's fine. I don't mind. I will support another person. That is okay with me. But I do find it weird that I can't use my own code. I think that's a bit weird. Yeah, I do. I do. Shoot me. Fine. But I think that's weird. Let me use my shit. NASDAQ into the 900s. Breaking down a little bit now. See what type of trouble we can get into here. Yo, by the way, family. The logistical reason is probably so you're paying the same price as everybody else has to. I guess you're right, because if I use somebody else's code, then that's the same price that someone else would have to pay. Because if I use my own code, I get the discount, and then I get the fucking affiliate price as well. So you're actually getting a cheaper price. I guess it kind of makes sense, Timothy. You're not wrong, King. I guess, honestly, when you put it that way, it kind of makes sense. Past those two 150Ks just now. Let's fucking go. Come on, Corey. Count your days, funded seat. Funded next. Wait, I forget. Is it funded seat? It is funded seat, right? But yeah, count your days. That man is coming for you. I still can't believe. Funded seat. He got in there and took a payout. Tim, your uncles make me laugh. W Corey for sure. Good shit, brother. Yo, I know we're just shy of our 20 like goal, family. If we have not yet, hit that little thumbs up. Support the stream, easiest way. Show some love. Also, I want to know if it shows me if somebody uses the code, because I want to do something for the person that uses our for the code for the first time. I can't believe I wanted to be the one that used the code for the first time. I can't believe I can't do that. It's fucking crazy. But we'll see. We'll see if I can even get that information. Haha, funded shenanigans. Tell him to get that checkbook ready. They better be loading it up. Put that man Corey and just wait for the number. Put that man's Corey name on that check and just wait for the number. NASDAQ did break below the 900s now and finding some more continuation selling. Wild price action. It is FOMC, so just be aware that we're probably going to get a wild little range here today, guys. On the hourly chart, we're starting to respect this hourly trend here. Breaking back in below. ES actually respected that high as well. If you look at ES on the 5-minute, we respected this previous high as well. So some things are happening here. You should put your code on your overlay on your stream. Is that too much? I would consider it work. Is that too much though? I don't want to be that guy. Do I want to be that guy? I don't know if I want to be that guy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, King? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Put it up somewhere around like the live every day, 9:30 to 11. Put like a little Apex code or something. Nah, we support. Fuck yeah, King. Let's go, baby. NASDAQ breaking below those 900s there. Really just ripping through the EMA now. Seeing what happens. VWAP is curled up to the 740s from the 610s. VWAP's actually getting close to the top of the 15-minute range as well. So lots of opportunity here, family. It is still FOMC, so the range is just going to probably get more wild, but do what y'all can. Protect your accounts. Get paid, though. You just want to dance. I'm in a short up $800. Let's go, Deontay. Way to be patient and wait for that to roll over, King. Way to be patient and wait for that to roll over. Finding some selling now into these 850s. Man was looking for shorts early. Was patient. Got in a nice one. Now he's up money. Love seeing it. In short, up 12. Let's go. Oh, King. The family's eating on this rotation. Y'all are brave. Y'all are brave. Me personally, a little bit intimidated by that momentum, but I'm glad y'all are taking advantage and getting paid for it. 845 in the NASDAQ right now. I really hope Apex does do the 90% off for Thanksgiving. Because what, the 80% off ends in 5 days, right? 6 days. That's honestly, hold on a second. How weird is that of Apex? And we're going to do an 80% off. And then 10 days, and then for 6 days, we're going to do 80% off for a week. And then after that, we're going to do our 90% off. What? What? In a short and got 10 points so far. Looking for 15, and then I'm done for the day. Let's go on Neon Ninja Timmy McToaster. I believe in you, King. In a short, got 10 points so far. Looking for the 15. So you're looking for like the 25s to break. Hope you can get there, brother. Hope you can get there, King. Right now, finding some deeper selling. Yo, work. Let me know how many likes we at right now, King. Gonna be getting off of here in a minute or two, family. If we haven't yet shown some love, hit that little thumbs up. Support the stream. Our goal is 20. If we fall a little short, well, that's okay. Sometimes the market can't always give you what you want. We need one more like. One more beautiful person here has not hit that thumbs up. Come on, family. Come on, family. I know we didn't have a whole lot we could talk about today in trading just because the market went one direction, 400 points, and now we're just kind of pulling back a little bit. It is FOMC as well, so Not a ton going on. Make sure you're trying to protect yourselves, though. We did get a little rejection to this hourly trend line. It is FOMC, so the range is going to probably be pretty sexy. As you can already see, a 400-plus range pre-FOMC is a little bit unrealistic. So, one more. Come on, guys. Hit the like. Hello, Unstoppable. What's up, King? Unstoppable. Hope you're crushing the markets, brother. Welcome in here. TP hit 106 points. Practice count, but still good to work on trades. Sobs, let's fucking go, dude. Great short at the top there. Way to hold, be patient, and way to get paid. I love it. I genuinely love it. What made you get out here, though? I'm curious. What made you get out these 820s? Just curious. Unstoppable. Are you the 20th like? I appreciate it, King. Bang, we just hit them likes. Let's go. W family. Let's go. Kings and queens of all sizes. I'll say, we've only had our one queen in here stopping. Newbie hasn't been in here. Haven't seen Jaleesa yet. I know she'll probably watch the live stream, though, so she might not make it all the way this far. But anyways, it's going to wrap it up for us today, family. It is FOMC coming into potential resistance turn support from yesterday. Nice. I'm seeing what you're seeing now, King. Beautifully safe exit. I like that, Sobs, a lot. Fuck yeah. W day, brother. WW day. Appreciate you for being here the whole time. Work. Sobs, you're the man. Congrats on that fucking banger. Unstoppable. Appreciate you for stopping in and being a part of the group today, King. Pobby. Hope you're crushing with those Warbucks. Excited to hear more about that. Neon Ninja, hope you made your money on that short as well. Every single person in here. Corey, I appreciate you guys. Deontay. Obviously, Timmy and Sauce. Amy and TLR. You guys make this shit fucking enjoyable. Kev, see you tomorrow. Locked in a $900 day today. Let's go, Kev. Woo! Babies are eating. Could have gotten some more points for sure, but also working on taking profits, not being greedy. Doesn't matter if my exit failure practice. Stick to the plan. No, I love that shit, Sobs. I like that exit a lot, actually. Of course, you had a blessed day. You too, sir. Appreciate you for being here. Take it the rest of your day. Easy, Kings. FOMC, be cautious. Don't trade if you don't have to. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you guys love. The fun continues tomorrow. Fuck yeah. Peace, baby.